beat itself is better than the late night show is better than on you is better than
Actually.
Now they put snake for your head. David don't want to die. Now I can't say he get voice. Before he was a husky. Come on, come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. David Doe is better than. Okay, I know which way that video when I see just now, now still based on our fans them. Person been send messages, they say, I beg me could play this particular video. And I hope so we enjoyed the video. All right, Kunle, I remember the name Kunle. Okay, yeah. Sharply, we'll continue with the whole, the rest of the whole show like this. And still based on all the fuel issue for the country. We get some kind, one guy in the building. This is our guy, now very own for this side, and a person will sabi all these issues them. You understand? So we say, make we know you go talk on our own understanding and knowledge.
Assumption.
No carry people that will sabi the sabi. For the whole thing. Enter the building.
Sabi
when they throw this sabi with everybody, and everybody will come get better knowledge of the whole sabi based on the whole fuel scarcity issue. You understand? To talk to be smart. Ladies and gentlemen, I get our very own guy, Chinedu Zego, also known as HM to us in the building. Chukudi, I say Chinedu, Chukudi.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
The night fire, they make mistakes sometimes. Because it's an issue.
Anything what the night fire do, they allowed.
They allowed.
The night fire can do no wrong.
He can do no wrong.
Exactly.
He can do no wrong. Still based on this fuel issue. Today, they go know how far. Now, Chukudi.
Boss.
You know as Yoruba they call her.
Chukudi.
Come, how you take reach this place?
Well, you know, say some people, they don't a trek.
Yes.
You understand? So, you don't do our body.
Okay.
You understand? So, as soon as you just tell me, say, okay, now this issue is caused.
Yes.
Based on, say, knowledge I don't get.
Yeah.
I don't enter road straight.
So, now trekking things like this.
Now, trekking things, now you sure pass now.
So, just a slap between for road, just say, man, forget, no, you don't get how go reach there, go reach.
Confirm.
That means you don't come up for us like 4 hours now, before now.
No, if you say na Ogun State, I they go.
Yes.
Na 4 hours ago, I don't come up.
Okay.
But based on say my leg, make you know say you get when you go, you don't they trek, you don't they used to trekking.
Yes.
If you come on early, I feel reach VI now, come cross the entire Ekpe.
Okay.
So I just take like 1 hour 45 minutes ago.
Oh.
Then my enter road.
Oh, wow. That are from experience from the whole trekking
journey
life,
thing.
everything.
Yeah.
Oh, Shukudi. I like as they will get knowledge. You understand? So that they will share out. So for now, they watch now. If they make everybody, now you can rely on bicycle. You can rely on wheelbarrow.
No fear, no diesel.
Yes. Rely on your leg too. Just carry your portfolio, carry your office wear.
You are going.
Just they jog, they go office. We are trainers. They jog, go office. You understand? You get? I mean, not be person that trek from Abuja, from Meduguri, go Abuja.
The guy don't foresee today.
He don't go see the Buhari.
He don't foresee today.
So please, that particular guy does not need vehicle. He leg a vehicle. So Shukudi, you are welcome again.
Thank you very much, Baba.
Our fuel issue for this country.
As in,
go straight to business.
Not be small matter. You know, say we get big boys for the industry. You understand? People when they into oil. You understand? People when they supply.
Yes.
We know all this.
Yes.
Because we are involved. But our own not be this kind of oil.
No.
So the thing when they be say, then they supply.
Okay.
But they don't get agreements. Okay, oh, we supply this, you pay this.
Okay.
You understand? They don't supply now. They're not going to pay when they're supposed to pay.
Oh, so based on the payments, then they're supposed to drop. That be the bin where they invest
exactly.
now.
And you know, say governments have been play backyard runs. You understand? Government be like devil. You understand? They push, they use people where jam each other. We get big boys inside the suppliers. We get small boys. So they pay the big boys. They don't pay the small boys.
Okay.
Thinking say the big boys go look say okay, they don't pay us more supply. But the small boys then are those ones rugged pass. You understand? But based on solidarity, the big boys to go say okay, as these small ones they don't want supply. Make all of your day. Now you make us they suffer this.
Oh, so that means now we can they under the whole equilibrium.
Now
can they suffer the final suffering.
Now we be the grass.
Now be the grass now. So
government na elephant A. The marketers na elephant B.
So
and as long as they fight, now we be the grass.
The grass, the grass. Now they suffer this. So now we be this grass now.
Exactly.
Government. Which of the government now?
Well, it depends on the way you know go call him now. Based on the mate now.
When they have like say you just go shoot yourself on leg, before you go mention now, before you come out for here, you see me tank, just black things just come. You enter. They no go ask you questions yourself. Just bail up you straight. Enter this place. From there now, no say Shukudi again.
No, not be me. I just they talk the one.
No, now based on your knowledge now, of course, now based on your seeing things. So now, two elephants they fight, grass they suffer.
Exactly.
And the masses now. But say now, because we hear different things. Say some people talk say as this government won't finish now. They don't they pack load to come out now. Say this kind of thing they can't fight now. Say before this government go come out, if they come out now, no go see our pay collect.
Now the issue now,
and if
the
you
money
want to enter now, so how you take reason the
when the thing when they be say based on the political Pythagoras theorem.
No, but easy bit. You see, we supposed to get a bomb. We supposed to get bomb for that place. I've just dropped that in there. Yeah, boom. You understand me now? Blood of God. Okay. Just talk, man. After this one, just run for one break quickly.
Based on the political Pythagoras theorem. If you check out, you go see say there is uncertainty. I go speak English.
Oh, no, just
there is uncertainty.
Uncertainty.
Because the man when they come, in face no get expression. You know the way when our mama they do am for us when we small.
Now they
for example,
lock up.
your man you look, you just smile.
Yes.
You call it look say nobody talk joke.
Yes.
Why this woman they smile?
So what do you go do?
For your man you go begin to check say hey, I don't make mistake.
I don't tie.
The man no get expression. They talk about food in day like this.
Just
they say food in day like this. They say food no in day like this. So these people call they calculate say if they continue like this.
Yes.
This money where they owe them, the man go pay. So they want hook everybody, even if na half of waiting remain for their payment. Make them see collect.
So now be the hooking like this. Oh, blog, easy bit. You dey see this country?
I dey tell you.
Very, very wonderful country. When two people don't dey for up, now they do their own battle. People wait for down. We don't know the full gist. Now you just suffer for the whole thing.
Not true.
Now wow. Any which way, we'll still come back now. Still continue on top of this whole gist, and we dey come back. What will be your own take on this fair issue? What they happen for our beautiful country, Nigeria? Just go for our Twitter handle at WLateNightShow. Reach there, give us your own gist, your own take on the fair issue. We dey come back now and now. Not go anywhere. Shuku is there in the building, and of course, is a bit, and then your night father. We dey come back. We dey come back. Okay, all right. Now, we say before we go on this break just now, we talk about the fuel issue for the country, and we get our guy, Shinedu. I don't know why they Shinedu that time by mouth.
Maybe they owe somebody Chinedu money.
No, I don't owe anybody money. I mean, that could be the name of your first son.
No, now you know to God.
Yes.
Now wait till I'm in the thing.
Hey!
Say if like someone don't carry for you.
Hey!
And now wait till you go name your first son with that. Shinedu. Now nice to meet you. Shinedu, son of Ogbolor.
I know. No, but if you look at
it makes sense. It makes sense. Your first became.
My first became.
Shinedu.
No, my side they call it Shinedu.
Papa Shinedu.
Papa Shinedu. Papa Chichio. Papa Chinex. Okay, so Shukudi.
Boss.
Quickly now. Still based on this whole fuel thing now, because now black market now. People don't ask for where they all buy black market now. They say 10 liters. How much last time?
5K.
How much again?
No, that like last week.
5K. About 5,000, 6,000,
6,000, 7,000.
Now, black man, how you feel say this thing now they affect the country now based on the say this government they come out now and the next government. Say it they make the next government people go they fear now. Fearful people mind now based on say the new government won't enter. As you talk just now, say expression not they face.
At all. They never talk waiting
go.
They keep their card to their chest. They never play.
How many figures will they see for this whole thing now?
Well, the way the thing day now, you know, for Nigeria, we get faith, and we they used to suffering.
We are
sorry to say this, but it don't. So tell somebody for on Twitter, on social media, they call Ghanaians, make them come out for like 3 weeks now.
Yes.
Ghanaians don't get erratic power supply. Say never us bring life for 2 hours, take am for maybe 3 hours, bring am for 4 hours, take am for 2 hours. The person go Twitter, he start hashtag.
Yeah.
So if he even put am there, he talk am there, say, we are not Nigerians.
Hey.
Say, we no go take am, make everybody come out. You know, say the Ghanaian president, they'll do election 2016. From now, the man don't begin to know, say, he don't find the phone number of the opponent.
Yes.
No, he say, if he lose the election, he go gas make the call.
Yes.
Just like Oga Jonah.
Yes, yes.
But for this country, we also say,
we all lock up.
God will do it. As if say God will come.
Everybody will just pray and God will arrange them.
Oh man, just lock up, say one thing, say we just keep quiet, say because see Ghana.
We always they find excuse for everything. Like for example, this trek issue when they talk now.
Yes.
You feel just talk, say, oh my God, say motor no day. Someone will tell you, trek now.
Yes.
It's part of exercise.
Exactly.
You are burning fat.
Exactly.
Why be say things when they make us suffer? We they see the good thing about that.
They find the enjoyment. But some man don't keep us for the country.
For real.
Some man don't keep us for the country.
They say waiting not go kill man, go make man strong.
My brother.
Somehow he don't keep us.
This excuse where they give now when hungry cash you. You be poor man, you get headache, you go say, oh my God, I get headache. Because you don't calculate someone if you go. The filter you say now malaria you get. Yeah. Malaria medicine are like 2,000 plus with blood tonic and say you need good food. God will say, God, it's just stress. If I sleep, God will take care of it. But we dey fear.
Go buy medicine.
Go buy medicine.
Go take care of yourself. Go hospital.
You understand?
So based on this whole thing now, finally, because as it be like this, so it's not too good.
It's not the okay at all.
Say Nigerians, we know to speak out. Even though yes, we know say yes, we sabi go through the suffering. God don't give us our own special kind of endurance pattern.
Like what the Israelites for Old Testament, doing the Exodus. Now the mind that we will get now.
Exodus things.
Exodus mind.
Yes, Exodus mind. This is
400 years of suffering.
Oh, Lord. We can't day used to ram.
And the like they will just start.
You can't be... We will never talk, enter the... You will not suffer. May you not suffer and smile. May you not suffer... Easy bit. I don't want to hear this. May you not suffer and smile.
Amen.
As they watch us like this, even if you suffer, you will not... No, that prayer not good. That prayer not
Papa Chinedu. Papa Nedu,
but what's the way forward?
Quick one. As Nigerians, we need to empower ourselves. And empowerment now, information when we get. You know, one of the mistakes, see, politicians, whether they under umbrella or you carry broom, all of them be the same. You understand? Now their pockets, now they think about. Now, the thing when they use they do us now, say many of them will just come and tell you, say, first and foremost, if they look you, say, okay, maybe they can't the beer when you get. They look say this boy na small boy, they talk say, where were you in 1960? Were you born?
Yes.
You are a small boy.
Yeah, a small boy, what's showing you?
They go use them, throw you off balance, make you fear, say, hey, I know Sabi. No, but if we begin to empower ourselves, you understand? Information don't day now. For 1960, when Nigeria gained independence, our heroes passed. When we put for our national anthem, Nnamdi Azikiwe, Awolowo, Amadu Bello, Malam Aminu Kanu,
Yes.
These people, they get big plan for this country. You understand? And from 1960 till 1966, when we say we can't get the first military coup, so many development happen for our country. Agriculture move. The infrastructure. Not be Alhaji Lateef Jakonde build all the low cost estates so we get.
Of course.
You understand?
We're supposed to flex it today
now.
Yes.
So if the set of politicians we get now, don't make them be like say, make we just get used to the suffering. Say if make we accept them like that. You understand? And they believe say so many of us don't think say if God hand no enter inside the matter, if God no come from heaven, if God no call Jesus say go and rescue these people, things no go happen. Nah. See Egypt, see Libya, see Tunisia. These are countries where we say the kind of potential when we get by potential I mean the things when God don't bless us with, they no get them. If they get what we get, those countries they go be like Obodo Ibo now.
Yeah.
What do we do between we and Obodo Ibo people?
If we continue like this now, see.
HM don't verse.
I don't verse.
So good it go verse for see. Because fuel not there now. Thank God. If not, it's a body cast fire here now.
Explosion. You are right.
The night father. Don't they call me Papa Chinedu? The night father. Talk out.
Papa Chinedu.
Come. You come up for that place now. You come up for that place now. The night father. Ogbolor. By name. Please. What's wrong with this guy? Did you wait?
Papa, they do what?
You don't serious. Chukudi, thank you very much. Hey,
thank you.
How do you tell Jamie on top Twitter?
Well, now at Ezugu CC.
At Ezugu CC.
EZU GWU, then letter C and C.
Okay, okay. So for
same too for Instagram.
For Instagram too, exactly.
But make it not be like say
you not try.
You understand? I don't try.
You understand? All right, still based on the whole thing, we still continue, and with the hopes that very, very soon this issue of fuel for this country, they will solve it once and for all. I beg government, not gonna help us for this country because the grass. We don't turn to brown things again. It's not going to green again, please. Before our national flag go turn to from green, white, green, enter brown, white, brown. Please help us. We no kill the green for the flag. We take God beg you. Bros,
thank you very much.
Welcome again.
Thank you
very, very much.
You.
All right, we'll continue with the show like this, and of course we go on with every. We'll go for this thing, this break. We'll come back. We'll continue. The night father, not be Papa they do. The night father, they do, brother.
What
What about this guy now?